Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we are making sesame noodles. So, the Young Chef's Club. We're using the recipes, but So, step 1. You take a large bowl. I just chose this one because it's large. And whisk half a cup of peanut butter. Okay, so now we take a line. I'm using a fancy knife. And you cut it. Yes, the fancy knife is very effective. We need the juice of 2 limes, 2 halves, so another. How do we juice them? Okay, so now that we've almost gotten the full amount of juice we need. Okay, so now we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So gross. It actually kind of blood. Now, sesame paste, also known as tahini. 2 tablespoons. Just use the other side. Next up, we then whisk in honey. Okay, so now we're gonna add yet another tablespoon. Molto. So we got this from a friend of our friend, and we got it at the art festival in summer, and it's actually a good place. Yeah. And next up, 2 garlic cloves, minced, and half a teaspoon of ginger. Ground ginger, but we didn't have any, so we just ground it some. Okay. And next we whisk. Ooh, that's thick. Especially with the honey and the peanut butter. Ooh, yeah, that is. Yo, that is so sauce. That actually looks like throw up. Okay, so now we're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of hot water. Well, 1/4 cup. Now we whisk it until it's fully incorporated. Okay, so now we're just gonna take this and eat this. And now we take snow peas. Cutting 6 ounces of snow peas. Snow pea. Yes, we're snapping off the ends. And in half, crosswise slash through by the flat way, so like this. Okay, so now we're putting the snow peas in the bowl. We're gonna use vegetable peeler to peel carrot. Use chef's knife to trim ends of carrot, discard trimmer ends. Okay, so now we're taking the snow pea bowl and putting a grater. We don't have a box grater, so we're just using this. And grating a carrot. So now we're grating the carrot. It's the carrot that we peeled. say that's enough. Okay, so now we have wide lo mein noodles. And the directions are add package to 3 quarts of boiling water. Cook about 4 minutes. It's not boiling. Rinse under cold water and drain when done. So now we're going to open this boiling pot of water. That's hot. That'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. 4 to 5. Not 45. Make sure to read the instructions. Guess what? Everyone, I've actually made another channel. And it's about stop motion. And I hope you like it because yeah, I'm not that good with the stop motion yet. I'm a trainee, I would say. Novice. Oh yeah, stop motion fanatic. Fanatic. Okay, so now we're going to transfer our noodles, which are fully cooked, to our sauce. So now we're going to dump this into here, besides the snow peas and carrots. So now we are lifting and mixing the noodles with the sauce and the snow peas and carrots. This is so freaking good. I want to eat it. Now we're gonna put it in a bowl and garnish it with these lime. Now we shall try the pastel. That's good. It's like funky, but it's also good. So yeah, thank you for watching. PS, please leave a like and subscribe, even for the stop motion fanatic. But anyways, have a great day, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to use your noodle. It is not good. Is it fully incorporated? No, it just looks more like throw up. Besides, who wants to see a couple of people just chopping snow peas, just constantly chopping snow peas?